I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Camry. This is the keyed version with the flip key. There's our flip key and there's our key we're going to do. Now this is a Valet key with a Valet H transponder. There's our security light flashing. So let's go ahead and get this done. Insert the key. Turn it on. Security light's out. Go under 2019 Camry. We're going to go under immobilizer number 3. Ignition's on. Okay, we're going to program a key. Yes. Take the key out. Okay. Insert key. Turn on. That is done. Remove key. Press OK. Insert new key. Press enter. From this point, we're going to wait till the security light goes out. You can see it's flashing. And it's counting down. Alright, the timer's about up. Let's go back to the light. Light is out. Procedure's complete. Hit OK. Take the key out. There's our security light. We're going to put the Valet key in. Now watch the security light. Solid and out. That's the sign of a Valet key. Do it one more time. Solid, out. Now we'll take the master key, watch the light, out right away, take the key out, flashing, insert, out right away. So this was requested as a special key for a vehicle, so this key will not fit the glove box, the trunk lock, just the door and the ignition. Put it in the ignition. Starts up.